Want to use Adobe Acrobat Reader on your Android phone or tablet? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to open PDF files, navigate documents, and use the app's most useful features for reading, commenting, signing, and sharing PDFs. Let's get started. First, open the Adobe Acrobat Reader app from your Android device. When the app starts, you'll see the home screen where you can access recent files, browse your device, or connect to cloud storage. Tap Files or Browse, then locate the PDF you want to open. You can also open PDF documents directly from your Downloads folder, File Manager, email attachments, or cloud storage services. Swipe up or down to move through the pages, or use the page navigation controls if they're available. You can pinch to zoom in for small text and zoom back out for a full-page view. Tap the toolbar or floating action button to access features like search, comments, highlighting, fill and sign, and document sharing. Some advanced editing tools may require a premium subscription. Any supported changes you make are usually saved automatically, or you can manually save the document if prompted. So to send the file, tap the share icon and choose your preferred app, such as email or a messaging service. If you sign in with your Adobe account, you can sync your recent files and access supported cloud storage services across multiple devices, making it easier to continue your work wherever you are. And that's how to use Adobe Acrobat Reader on Android. Whether you're reading documents, signing forms, or adding comments, the app makes it easy to manage PDFs while you're on the go. If this tutorial helped, leave a like, subscribe for more software guides, and thanks for watching.